Okay, this is Waimanalo Beach. It's actually, let me do the beach first. Nice, one of the nicest white sand beaches in Oahu. The other one is about 5 miles up that way. But yeah, we're in the bottom eastern corner. And the only thing is, you see all those tents? They are all homeless tents. So, lock your car. Yeah, yeah, parking looks free, so that's pretty cool. There's a couple islands there. It's a lighthouse trail just on the end there. Yeah, a lot of tents. Oh, someone's doing their laundry. They're doing their laundry over there. Yeah, this looks pretty cool. Got some nice, well, not by surfing standards, but there's some nice rolling waves. Yeah, there we go. It's sunset time. Yeah, there's the lighthouse. There's just a little twinkle in the end there. It's about 5 miles south. Up here it's 1 mile up, 1 mile down if you want to do the trail. But this is crazy. Can I say hello to the video?
Hello.
Yeah, here we are. We've only been here 2 days. Sound like a local, huh?
Like just over 1 day actually.
Oh really? Yeah, I fooled you. Ah. Yeah. Yeah, it's not like white sand, like true white sand, but it's, you know, it's pretty white. Yeah.
And soft.
Yeah. Yeah, it's nice, you know. It's really cool. There's a rope swing there. Yeah. Do you think it will get my phone?
Might.
Whoa, that was close.
It's so pretty.
Yeah, it was a close one.